Hey guys, so we are just going to take a quick little division quiz today. So you may want to get a scrap piece of paper and a pencil so that you can work out your equation before answering the questions. Okay, the first question says Sarah baked 24 cookies. She wants to divide the cookies up equally between her 7 friends. How many cookies will each friend get? Will there be any left over? Pause the video at this time to solve the equation and type in your answer. The next question says, Ben bought 32 pencils. The pencils were in packages of 8. How many pencils were in each package? Pause the video at this time to solve the equation and type in your answer. The next question says, Marcus has 47 baseball cards. He wants to give each of his 4 friends the same number of baseball cards. How many baseball cards can he give to each friend? Will he have any cards left over? So work out your answer on your piece of paper and then type in your answer and turn in your quiz.